Hello and welcome back. Over here I make this quick, easy, delicious and healthy breakfast. I used oats, sugar, peanut butter, cinnamon powder, soy milk, a 30 ml measuring spoon, my dishing spoon and mixing my dishing bowl, mixing pin and eating spoon, and then over here I boiled some water already, and then I'm gonna be using this pan. I already put the stove on 2 for a while, so it should be heated. So over here I'm going to add, remember this was my 30 ml measuring spoon, so we're adding 1, 2, 5, either 6 or 7. 6. Should we make it 7? No, let's make it 6. I'm literally cooking for 1. And then over here I'm adding just a little bit of sugar because my soy milk is a little bit sweet. And then over here we are adding our water. Okay, and then over here we are going to add our soy milk straight after. So the more milk that you add to your oats, the gooier it becomes, or creamier. Yeah, the creamier and gooier that it becomes. So over here I know myself, I'm already gonna increase it up until 5 because I'm hungry and I want to eat ASAP. So you're just gonna mix it so that it is well distributed. I'm not gonna wait for it to start boiling. I'm gonna just close the lid over here. I don't even close it like this because I'm in the kitchen. I close it fully, so not like this. I close it fully. If you know you're going to be up and down, close it like this so that it doesn't overflow. But for it to cook faster, I'm going to do this. I'll be back in 5 minutes, but I'm in the kitchen. I'm not going anywhere. You guys know I left the kitchen, but I'm back on time because this was about to be a mini disaster. Okay, so this is literally like 3 or 4 minutes. It didn't even take that long, but already the oats is cooked, Annie, but I wanted to just sit on the stove a little bit longer, and this is the perfect time for me to add the cinnamon powder. I just add a pinch of cinnamon powder. So I wait for it to get cooked and then I add it because I know it's still gonna sit on the stove and the cinnamon flavor is still gonna be dispersed nicely. And also with the cinnamon powder, you can actually put it at the end. It's almost like with stuff like milk tart and things like that. It doesn't really take away too much. And that's how I initially did it. But once I tried it like this, I do prefer it like this. Yeah. Okay, so I'm sure it's actually been 5 minutes now. So I am done with my oats. But what I like to do is to just, switch off the stove and then let it sit here for like 2 or 3 more minutes with this closed. I will show you guys the end very soon. So this is the final meal. I just added 1 spoon of peanut butter, mixed it together, and I really enjoyed this. Thank you for staying tuned in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!